Let's start by checking the current device information. Open Settings on your phone and scroll all the way down to About Phone. Inside, you'll find important details about the device, IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. Now head back and launch the IMEI Changer application. Give it a few seconds to finish loading. Once everything is ready, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here you'll notice several tools and utilities, including Device Scanner, Route Manager, IMEI Tools, and various system options. Here we need to change the device IMEI, so tap on IMEI Changer option. The application immediately begins analyzing the phone. While the scan is running, you'll also see the progress bar moving in real time as the system collects information about the device. When the scan completes, a detailed report is displayed. The app now shows the device model, Android version, route status, and both IMEI numbers. At the bottom of the screen, tap the green button labeled Proceed to Root. This opens the root configuration panel. Enable all available options including OEM unlock, bootloader unlock, custom recovery, BusyBox installation, and super user access. And then press Start Root Process below. A progress indicator appears at the top while different stages of the process are listed underneath in real time. Meanwhile, the application automatically downloads the required root components based on the detected Android version and device model. The process continues through multiple stages, including OEM unlocking, bootloader preparation, root package deployment, custom recovery installation, BusyBox setup, and super user configuration. As the percentage increases, some tasks are completed instantly while others remain pending until later stages of the process. A few moments later, root access is successfully granted. With root enabled, all premium features become available. At the bottom of the page, tap Proceed to change IMEI. On this screen, you'll see three options at the top: Enable Root Check, Show Success Toast Only, and Keep App in Memory. Below that, select Generate New IMEI and then tap Proceed to change IMEI. This opens the Smart IMEI Generator. Here you can manually enter IMEI numbers if you want, or simply use the Auto Generate option to create new values automatically. You'll also find additional masking features such as Mask Serial Number, Mask Android ID, and Mask MAC address. Once everything is configured, tap Apply New IMEI. A terminal-style console immediately appears and starts displaying live system activity. Line after line, the application shows different operations including root verification, security module loading, partition mounting, IMEI slot detection, identifier generation, and validation checks. At the same time, the progress bar continues moving forward while new log entries keep appearing on screen. The console then begins displaying color-coded messages. Green entries indicate completed operations, yellow entries represent warnings, and red entries appear whenever security restrictions are being bypassed. As the process continues, even more advanced-looking tasks appear, including radio interface updates, dual SIM synchronization, modem configuration refreshes, device profile rebuilding, and Android framework updates. The interface now closely resembles professional Android servicing and flashing software. Once all operations are complete, the console stops updating and a success message appears confirming that the procedure finished successfully. Immediately afterward, a new pop-up appears requesting a reboot. Tap Reboot to continue. The device now restarts automatically. After the boot logo appears, the phone enters a system update phase where optimization messages are displayed on screen. A few moments later, the update screen switches to a recovery-style console showing additional system commands running in the background. When the update process finishes, the device automatically restarts one more time. After booting back into Android, unlock the phone and return to the home screen. Now let's verify the result. Open Settings again, scroll down to About Phone, and check the device information section. As you can see, both IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 now display different values than before and other identifiers also appear updated.